Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about vitamin E for skin whitening. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help to improve the appearance of your skin by reducing dark spots, wrinkles, and age spots. What is vitamin E? Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for good health. It is found in many foods, including nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy green vegetables. Vitamin E is also available as a dietary supplement. How does vitamin E work for skin whitening? Vitamin E is an antioxidant. Antioxidants help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and tissues. They are thought to play a role in the aging process and the development of some diseases. Vitamin E can also help to improve the appearance of your skin by reducing dark spots, wrinkles, and age spots. This is because vitamin E can help to increase collagen production and reduce inflammation. Collagen is a protein that gives your skin its strength and elasticity. Inflammation can damage collagen and elastin, which can lead to the formation of wrinkles and age spots. How to use vitamin E for skin whitening? There are a few different ways to use vitamin E for skin whitening. You can apply vitamin E oil directly to your skin, or you can take vitamin E supplements. If you choose to apply vitamin E oil to your skin, you can do so by mixing a few drops of oil with a carrier oil, such as almond oil or jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to your face and neck and massage it in gently. You can also apply vitamin E oil to other areas of your body that you want to whiten, such as your hands and arms. If you choose to take vitamin E supplements, be sure to talk to your doctor first. Vitamin E supplements can interact with certain medications. How long does it take for vitamin E to work for skin whitening? It can take several weeks or months to see results from using vitamin E for skin whitening. Be patient and consistent with your treatment, and you should start to see a difference in the appearance of your skin. Is vitamin E safe for skin whitening? Vitamin E is generally safe for most people. However, some people may experience side effects, such as skin irritation or allergic reactions. If you experience any side effects, stop using vitamin E and talk to your doctor. Vitamin E is a natural and effective way to whiten your skin. It is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help to improve the appearance of your skin by reducing dark spots, wrinkles, and age spots. If you are interested in trying vitamin E for skin whitening, talk to your doctor first. They can help you determine if vitamin E is right for you and recommend the best way to use it.